stunned. I'm stunned because I just filmed my whole intro and outro and I wasn't recording. Anyway, I mean, I was just rambling, so I guess it doesn't matter. What is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. Y'all, I am living. I'm living for this look. I honestly feel like it's such an Instagram look. So do you guys like it? If y'all want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. I really thought my new BH Cosmetics palette would be here by now, but I think it's coming this weekend, so we're just gonna, you know, use what we have. Okay, so I've already put some concealer on my lids. Of course, I have some mascara on. Y'all are probably like, this chick's a hot mess. The answer to a hot mess is yeah, I am. But I mean, when you got a full-time job, you do what you can do, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna put some setting powder under my under eye to kind of catch any fallout, because we're gonna use some pretty bright colors. And yeah, I have to put it like all the way up here because it gets a little crazy. Right, first I'm going to start with my Morphe M518 brush with a teal color, and I'm going to just apply that to the highest point where we're going to go, hopefully. Like right here, above the crease. Okay, now we're going to take this little flat matte green color and I'm going to place it kind of on top of this teal that we just did and hopefully get some sort of blend. I'm kind of hitting the crease of my eye with it. No, Swift. My cat literally will come in here, rub my leg for 2 seconds, I shut the door, and then after he rubs my leg, he goes back to the door and stares at it and wants to get out. We're about to take a crazy turn right now into this really bright purple. I'm using a 506 brush, and I gotta make sure to be light-handed, which this 506 brush is good for patting on the color, but I really want to try and use it to blend because it fits so perfectly in my crease, which is where I'm putting this color. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks gorgeous already. Hi, hello. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I didn't even expect that to come out as beautiful as it did, but wow. Y'all, I'm so crazy. Like, I will sit here and do these looks and like get really excited about it, and I'll just sit and I'll just start dancing or turn on some music and literally just stare at it, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I need to finish this, come on. So as scared as I am too, I am gonna add a darker purple into the crease and just deepen it up. So I think that is the depth that we are gonna get to, and yeah, this is as far as I want to go, I believe. I'm just gonna stop now and I'm going to do the other eye and cut the crease. Alright, you guys, so I am about to put some really pretty purple liner on this cut crease, and it's actually not liner. It's what I did last time with that green look. I'm mixing my colored mascara with some white eyeliner and making it work. Alright, you guys, time for the glitter. Just accept it. It's a glitter channel. If you're subscribed, you subscribe to a glitter channel. Alright y'all, I am about to kind of clean up this look and make it a little more seamless, and yeah, I may add some purple glitter because I honestly thought this glitter had a purple reflect, but when I put it on, all I'm seeing right now is blue. So I'm just going to kind of tweak it the best I can, and yeah. Yes! Okay, whew, we are back in action. I can't open my eyes all the way. It's alright though. Yeah, I'm just going to drag it all the way around now. Basically, I'm just going to go in and do the same like colors that I did on the top, like with the dark green or the matte green. Then I'm going to add the lighter purple and then the darker purple. And I'm going to try to layer that with a dark blue that matches this glitter. So, I got this Glow Pro Stellar highlight, and it's a blue highlight, and I wanted to do purple at first, but now I'm kind of thinking maybe we should do blue since, like, I don't know, I feel like I didn't match the shadow to the blue that well. Alright you guys, I had to go put in my Lumify eye drops for redness because my eyes get so red, because I'm always doing these looks at night after I've been up since like 6 a.m. And yeah, these Lumify drops, I mean, my eyes are like white. By the time I do the reveal pictures though, they'll probably start to get red again, so we need to pick up the pace. So I have this little purple eyeliner, and I'm gonna see how I like that. Y'all know I am a white eyeliner freak. Alright y'all, now I got to set it with a purple eyeshadow. I am going to pop on some lashes and we will be done. Here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? I'm just really proud of the progress that I've made. Like, I should probably insert like a picture of one of my first looks just to show y'all like practice. It is not a cliche, practice makes perfect. It is truth. It is honest to God truth. I am living proof. And yeah, if you ever wanted to do a look like this and think it's impossible, it's not. I literally could have never done this time last year, and now I'm just blowing my own mind. I can't even believe that I'm doing it. Yeah, so I'm not even trying to be arrogant or cocky about it. I'm just really thankful that, you know, practice really helps. So that's just to encourage any of y'all who want to do it. Even if you just want to blend like this, you can definitely do it. It really, honestly, to me, just takes practicing on your own eye and like learning what looks good on you, like maybe a certain shape or something of how you do your eyeshadow. I was talking about, as you seen in the video earlier, like the shape of my eye doesn't really go rounded, but I wanted to try it. It probably is still not perfect. Like now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it kind of goes down, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now. And I would say like after my first like 6 or 7 videos, I could feel that I was starting to get the hang of blending, just because I got used to the brushes that I liked and I got good eyeshadows. You will get better for sure. That's the truth. I hope you guys have a great week coming up. Hope you like this look. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.